Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lesson, we are going to learn what a prime number is and how to check if a number is prime using Python. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. So it is only being divided by 1 and the number itself. In simple terms, it's a number that cannot be divided evenly by any other number except 1 and itself. For example, 2 is prime, only divisible by 1 and 2. 3 is a prime. It is divisible by 1 and 3 itself. But 4 is not a prime number. Why? Because it is divided by 2 also. 5 is a prime. Why? Because it is only divided by 1 and 5. 6 is not prime because it is divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. So the first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Alright, now let's come to the hands-on. So first we are going to create a function is prime which accepts a number n. Then it checks if n is less than or equal to 1. If that's the case, it returns false. So it's not a prime number. Alright. Next, for I in range starting from 2. Alright. Now there is a shortcut to check whether a number is prime or not. You don't have to divide it till that number. I mean to say, if we provide 60 as a number, you don't have to check from 1 to 60 itself that whether it is a prime number or not. You can check up to its square root. Alright, here is the trick. We can write here n exponentiation or x to the power 0.5. I mean n to the power 0.5, and also we need to convert it because it will become a float. Okay, so we need to convert it to integer and we need to provide 1. So we need to write here plus 1. Now you need to tell me that why we are adding this 1. Okay, by the end of this lecture I will tell you, but try to think that why we are adding this 1. Okay, now yes, I will explain why we are adding it. So the thing is, here we will check if n mod I equals 0. So what it tells? It tells that if n is divided by I, whether the remainder is 0 or not. If it is, then return false. That means it's not a prime number. And if it goes through the program, if it goes through everything here, that means it passed this program, and next we can return true. That means it is a prime number. Alright. So now let's accept the number from the user. So num equals, we are going to convert it to int, you know that, and also we need to take input. So first we are taking the input and then we are converting it to int. So it says that, let's write here enter the number. Next, if is prime, and we are going to pass this number. So if it is true, if this program returns true, then what? Then we are going to print with F string that yes, our number is a prime number, or else print, let me copy it. Yeah, you can say I'm lazy. And let's write here not. Okay, so if it returns false, that means it's not a prime number. Let me hit save, and now let's check our program, right? Python 7 tab. Let's write here 8. Yep, it's not a prime number. So let me do one thing. Let me provide here a space, a colon, and a space again. Let me hit save. Let's run it because it will look good actually. Let's write here 19. Yep, 19 is a prime number. That's true. Again, let's execute it. Let's 67. 67. Yup, it is a prime number. Great job. Let's test one more. Let's test 729. 729. It is not a prime number, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, it is not a prime number. So, yeah, I guess it is 27 square maybe. Let's write here Python 27. Yeah, 27 multiplied by 27. Yeah, it's 729. Okay. Yeah. Great job, Supriyo. Okay, okay. All right. So, yeah, you have done it. So, that's it, guys. Yeah, one more thing. Why we are adding this +1, right? Try to think what the range function does. Say, for example, n equals 9, right? When we are using range and we are square rooting it, we need to provide here +1. Okay, because square root of 9, it becomes 3, but when we execute it, it will run from 2 to 2. Okay, so it will not run till 3. Yeah, so that's why we are providing here +1. Okay, all right, guys. So that's it. See you in our next project. Till then, have fun. Take care.